Now, good morning, student. This is our drawing class. Last, we have drawn a piggy. Okay? But today we will not draw anything. We will do the work in our art and craft book. You have an art and craft book now. Last day, I have given you to color the kitty. Okay? Today, we will do page number 6. In page number 6 of your art and craft book. Art and craft book. Okay? In your art and craft book, you have to do page number 6. What you have to do? You have to color. Okay? With your crayon color, you have to color it. But I want to explain something. In that, there is a road. And on the road, there is a zebra crossing. Okay? One is black. One is white. Then again a black. Then again a white. Then again a black. Understand? Like this, it is given in your book. A car is there and one woman and her daughter is there. And here is a what? Traffic light. Okay? Traffic light. Understand? Now I am going to explain what are these. Okay, this and this. This is known as zebra crossing. You have seen zebra either in real or in book. Okay, it has what? It has black and white stripe on the body. Same way on the road it is given. But where you can find it? In Kalna we can find zebra crossing? No. No zebra crossing in Kalna. Where we can see? Big cities. In big cities we can see zebra crossing because many people, many crowd, many vehicles, okay, many cars, bus, truck and many roads. Okay, here, 6, 5, 7 roads. So how to go? Otherwise accident will take place. For that, there are two things on the road. First one is what? Zebra crossing. First thing, how you can identify a zebra crossing? On the road, there will be one black and one white. One black, one white. The stripe will be black and white. And it is known as zebra crossing. How it is help us? Suppose vehicles, all the car will stop here. Those who are standing here and this side, they have to cross the road. But always the car is going on. How they will cross? One time will come that here also car will stop and here also car will stop. Okay? So, what? Then the people standing here and the people standing here, they are allowed to cross. They will walk on the zebra crossing only. Okay? Okay. These are used to cross the road. Those who are standing here and there on the opposite sides of the road, when all the vehicle will stop, no vehicle is coming, then this side people will cross this side and this side people will cross this side. This is the design made on the road for crossing the road, those who are walking, Okay, they don't take the bike, car, scooter, auto, anything. For them it is. Understand? Now come to traffic signals. There is a lamppost type and it is made up of traffic signal. What is this traffic signal? What is this? Traffic signals. There are 3 lights in the traffic signal. Okay? First one will be red in color. What is the color? It will be red. If the light blow red, then means what? Stop. Red means stop. For whom? Those who are driving. Means all the cars and buses and all are coming from here. If they are coming, if they are seeing red light is on, then they will stop here. Stop. Okay? All will stop. So, this will be red and this indicate to stop. Okay? If it stop, then the people standing in this side and this side, they will cross the road. Okay? They are also seeing that it is red, so their time to cross, and they are seeing it is red, then their time to stop. Understand? This is red. Then yellow. Second light will be yellow. Yellow means get ready. Okay? Get ready. Now you have to go. Get ready. But ready. Don't do anything. Don't start nothing. Just ready. Within few minutes you will say to start again. Okay? So for this, get ready. Okay? Or opposite meaning you understand. Those who are coming, okay, when they see yellow, that means slow down. Means slow your vehicles. Slow down. Okay? So that not in a speed. Okay? So this is for slow down or for get ready. Understand? Those who are stopped, for them it indicates to get ready, and those who are coming speed, for them it is to get ready for slow down your vehicle. Okay? And this is what? Green. Green means what? Last one is green means go. Okay? Green means go. Understand? Don't stop. Now your time up. Now you start your vehicle and go. This is for get ready for starting, and this green for go. Allow you to go. Okay? So here all are stopped. Now allow to go. Now they will stop. If they see the green, that means vehicles are allowed, cars are allowed to go, and the people have to stop. They will now not cross the road. Understand? So just opposite thing. Those who are going so fast. Then yellow. If the light become yellow, then slow down. And red means stop. And if I say the another time, if red is there, they are already in stop position. Okay? Then yellow means get ready. Now ready. I will start my little I will start my car or vehicle. Then green means go. They will go. And people who are standing this side, if green is there, they will stop. And if red will be there, they will come and cross. Understand? These 2 is the meaning. Picture is given in your book. Okay, zebra crossing and traffic signal. These two things are given there, and whole picture you will color. Page number 6. Today you will color. Understand everybody? What is zebra crossing and what is this traffic signal? You will see them only in big cities, not in our town. Okay, understand? So understand it, then color. You have color pencil with your mother and father. Take the help and you color the picture. Okay, so teaching over, student. Thank you.